Hello students, welcome back to the second video of lesson number 1.2. Okay, page number 8. Start from second paragraph. Okay, thinking ahead of the next winter, father decided to create a place safe from the elements, a strong storage spot to the protect themselves and their belongings. Here they decided to leave the place. Okay, Fritz came with the idea of a cave. Not finding one, they thought of carving out of own cave in the rock. Okay, here actually the no, caves are not they available in that place. Okay, here they want to create a new cave with the rock. Okay, abutting their campaigning site here. Abutting means having common boundary. Okay, having common boundary. Okay, on the smooth face of the rock, father marked the dimensions for an opening and they picked away at the odd surface with their axes, sigils, hammers, and shovels. Okay, here they using the carpentry tools to make a rock into a cave. Okay, over the next several days, the family cut windows in the rocks to allow for cross currents of air and for sunlight to enter the cave. Okay, actually, rock not having the windows as well as sunlight also, so they decided to cross currents the rock into okay air and sunlight enter the cave. When they had finished, they had four rooms. Okay, how many rooms they made means here 4 rooms. Okay, complete with a fireplace. Because of that is a winter season, they want to fire, so that is why they complete the 4 rooms with the fireplace. Now they now had a new winter home. Okay, that is completed. Now here second para. Because of the low light, the cave house they had built felt oppressive. Oppressive means distressing. Okay, they not feel very happy. Okay, why? To remedy this, father had Jock rigged up a new light. Okay, they found a bamboo pole that would reach from the floor of the ceiling. Okay, actually not having the correct light in that area, so that is why they are not happy with the that cave. Okay, then after securing it, Jack climbed to the top of the pole and hung a large oil lamp that they had rescued from the ship. Means what is the reason behind that they use here the lamp hang to the top of the pole means here someone is coming that place, they find out that someone is here, they are in risk. Okay, so that is the reason behind that they use a large oil lamp, they hang it to the top of the bamboo pole. Okay, one day they found that one of the family's earths had been completely destroyed and the cultivated fields around it had been trampled and ruined. Here, something is happening in that area. Okay, so one day, what happened here? All the cultivated lands had been trampled, means destroyed. Okay, and ruined means destroyed by the some animals. Okay, there were used footmarks everywhere. Okay, here they found that used footmarks means large footmarks everywhere. Father saw massive means large damage to trees as well as many used footprints which he identified as belonging to an elephant herd. Actually, that is a which animals are they doing that work means here done by that work means elephant herd. Herd means it is a it is a herd means a group of elephants we call herd here. Okay, the next morning, the family began to design a new defense to discourage all wild animals from entering their cultivated lands. Okay, here they changed their fourth place. Okay, what is the third place here? Cave. Who came with that idea? Fritz. Okay, and here the Here questions also given in the margin of the page here. What was the third place the family decided to reside in? Why did they wish to shift there? Okay, here their third place is cave. Okay, because of that was a in winter season. Okay, and here what made the family change over to their fourth residence? What precautions did they take before building it? Okay, here their fourth place is now here. The next morning, the family began to design a new defense. That is a fourth residence of the Robinson family. Okay, to discourage all wild elements from entering their cultivated lands. They also finished their ideas about the new residence rather than building a house on slits. Slits means uh, just we construct a house on the support of the woods, okay, which the elephants could knock down easily. They would use four strong trees growing in a square near one another as the foundation. Means they put the trees also in front of their house, okay, because of it is safe from the wild animals like elephants, okay. The trees were of equal size, approximately 12 feet apart. Thus, they built another safe home. Okay, they built a fourth residence. Okay, now already here in the ninth page. Okay, 10 years passed and the young boys were now young men. Means the boys children became a men. Okay, and already here 10 years passed. Okay, and their parents were very proud. They called the island New Switzerland. Many adventures occurred over the years. Okay, already we know that. Okay, now on the shore of another island, Fritz had knocked down an albatross, which albatross means here it is a sea bird. Okay, yeah, given here albatross, a large long winged sea bird, okay, which was threatening to attack him, and found a rag tied to the large bird's leg. Here the Fritz find out that actually albatross came to attack on him, and also he found that a paper tied on the bird's leg. Okay, actually what is that? Okay, now see here. On the rag was a message that an English woman had been stranded on the smoking rock. Okay, stranded means she live there isolated. Okay, had been isolated on the smoking rock. Okay, Fritz had no idea how old the message was. Okay, means can't understand anything what actually meaning of smoking rock. Okay, his father suggested that smoking rock sounded like a reference to a volcano. Okay, smoking rock means it is not possible to come the smoking from the rock. Okay, common rock. Okay, it is a volcano. Okay, for example, you observe volcanoes in Africa, Kilimanjaro. Okay, that is since there were no volcanoes in the vicinity, means the father know that William know that actually there was no volcanoes in the nearby. Okay, the bird might have come from hundreds of miles away. However, Fritz felt that someone needed his help. Okay, now he get an idea. What is that? Help. Okay, someone need his help. Okay, and he was determined to do his best to find the sender. Okay, before returning home, he had written his own note on the rag means here paper. Okay, retired it to the albatross leg. Okay, then he put it to the that albatross leg, and had watched the bird fly off. Okay, then the bird leave that place. Okay, the note told whoever received it. Okay, the note told whoever received it means actually that that message read by the Pritch, and then he written something on the rag. What is that here? Do not despair means you do not lose your hope. Okay, help is near. Okay, don't worry about your problem. Okay, do not lose your hope. Okay, I am here, don't worry. Okay, in this way he replied to the sender. Fritz then successfully rescued the young woman Jenny Montrose. Okay, though shy at first, soon she got used to living with the Robinson family. Okay, now we have question here margin. Okay, margin paper of the margin here. Who was a victim and how long had she survived? Who was the victim here? Jenny Montrose. And how long years she survived alone here? Survived, okay, 3 years. Okay. Now, one day they saw a ship which had laid anchor and camp, camp, campment had been set off on the one of the smaller islands. After checking the people through their spyglass, Fritz and his father decided to announce themselves after they had returned home and cleaned it up. They did not want crave. Crave means here are the passengers of in a ship to think they were savages. Okay. The next day, Fritz and his father met the captain and told him their own story as well as Jenny's. Okay, here Jenny has actually a new character joined with the Robinson family. Okay, who helped by the actually Jenny helped by the Fritz. Okay, yes. To to everyone's surprise, it had been Jenny's father who had inspired the captain search. Okay, who is actual captain here? He was a father of Jenny Montrose. Okay, he believed his daughter was still alive after 3 years. Okay, how many years he survived alone in that island means 3 years. Okay, the captain had decided to attempt to find her. Okay, with a birds of celebration, the family, the passengers, and crew of the British vessel headed towards New Switzerland. Everyone was amazed by the prosperity and good health of the survivors. Okay, survivor means including Jenny and Robinson family here. Okay, as the day ended, the father realized that decisions must be made about who wanted to stay on the island or return with the ship. Elizabeth and her husband did not wish to live anywhere but on the island. Okay, means Elizabeth and her William they don't want to leave that place. Okay, they had been there for so long and had grown used to their life. Jenny asked if anyone would support her return to England. Here, Jenny asked to anyone come with me, okay, to return to the England. Fritz was the first to respond. Okay, who respond here? The while asking question by the Jenny Fritz. Okay, he offered cheese for us who were going to Europe. Okay, Ernest, on the other hand, wanted to stay on the island. Okay, Jacques also decided to stay back. Franz, the youngest boy, decided to join the Fritz in leaving. Here, two boys with the Robinson family and two boys left from the island. Okay, who are they? Franz and Fritz left from the place, and remaining two boys, Jock and Ernest, live with the Robinson family. Okay, with their parents. Okay, now Franz wanted to chance to receive an academic education. In that purpose, he leave that island. And here, Fritz. Before Fritz left, he told his parents of his love for Jenny and his wish to marry her. Okay. Here, Fritz appear love with the Jenny. So he told finally his parents about his love story. Okay. The father had kept a record of all the adventures they had on the island. He handed over the journals to the captain to be published. Then the then the ship departed. Then the ship leave that place. Okay. Here the father William uh, submitted to the whole journals to the captains. Okay, means Jenny Morton's father. Okay, in what purpose he submitted to the all the journals means to publish in the market. Okay, so now end of the story. Here the last question given here. How does the adventure come to a happy end? Means yeah, the Jock and Ernest live with their parents and remaining two boys. When Pranj went to the England for his academic education, and Fritz married with the Jenny. Okay, so finally the story ended with the very happily. Okay, now this is second part. Thank you all of you.